everyone. Hope all of you are doing good and great. So, I thought today we look at some of the fundamental concepts because legal research is information or is research much more than that. So, it's very important to understand the concept of research. Research is not just an accumulation of information, it's much more than that. It refers to the scientific process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting of the information that's available with you. It's about generating new knowledge and it's about bringing in an analysis utilizing this information that's already existing. It has a definite process, a systematic structure, and a scientific methodology that's engaged with to travel from the problem point to the solution point. The mode in which a scholar or a researcher travels between these two destinations is what distinguishes a research from mere accumulation of information to something as that is an addition to the pool of information or knowledge. To give you a simple example, my research area focused on experiential legal education. Now, to understand the concept of experiential legal education, Google and ChatGPT would be able to give a better clarity of information that's available. Now, to identify what about experiential legal education I need to understand. How am I going to be choosing the materials involved? What are the specific concept or evaluation that I'll be conducting about the concept of experiential legal education will all matter if I have to call my research a research in context of scientific study. It is therefore important for a researcher to understand that while conducting the area of study, it does not stop at adding on information or collating of information. Rather, it's about what the scholar does with that information that matters and why the scholar wants to come out with a solution. What is that solution, that specific challenge that the scholar wants to come out with, would all together constitute what we understand as research. So I hope you have this particular concept in mind before we go into the idea of methodologies, different techniques, and otherwise, right? So hope you reflect on this concept and look at your research area to say, what is that you want to study specifically? Why is that you want to conduct this study? What is that you want to do with the information that you've collected? That it is going to have a social impact. There are specific questions that you need to answer before you come down to the conclusion to say, yes, I am conducting research. I hope you have something to think about before we come again for the next lecture. Till then, stay safe.